So today we wanted to do something a little different and take you on a little tour of an area that we really enjoy. The Arts District in Las Vegas is the city's creative and colorful hub. Now, from galleries and murals to street art, this area is alive with color and vibrancy, with a myriad of events and activities such as interactive installations, immersive theater and performance art, and more. It's an area where creativity knows no bounds. Now, if all that wasn't enough to make you smile from ear to ear, then maybe the local pubs, restaurants, and cafes do the trick as they conveniently dot throughout this eclectic neighborhood. So, whether you're looking for a good laugh, just a place to explore your artistic side, the Arts District has something for everyone. Let's explore this amazing place together, shall we? Come on, let's go! Bungalow is a specialty coffee shop located right here in the heart of the Arts District. They're on a mission to positively impact their community through creating a space for good people to have good conversation. They have everything from traditional drip coffee to specialty lattes created with house-made syrups. They even have a simple but oh so tasty pastry and food menu. The staff is friendly, the drinks are awesome, and it's a great place to gather for work. It's actually one of my favorite places, and you'll find me here on the first Wednesday of every month inside Bungalow working for the day. It's a great place to go. I highly recommend it. 18 Bin is a lively open-air cafe serving craft cocktails and global bar bites, plus happy hours and live music. Now on Taco Tuesday, you can get all-you-can-drink margaritas, up to weekend brunches as well. They're sure to have something that you're looking for. We actually discovered this fantastic place because they were hosting a fundraiser for a local dog rescue. They seem to do those types of things here. They're very community oriented. The 18 Bin Foundation is here, as well as the First Friday Foundation. They're all housed in the same area, but you got to come out here and try 18 Bin for dinner. Prices are great, food is great, drinks are great, environment is great, and you get to enjoy the beautiful Arts District while you're here. Here we have the Arts Factory. It was founded in 1991. The Arts Factory building has grown to become the cultural hub of this unique area of Las Vegas, housing the studios and performing arts spaces for Las Vegas's cultural tastemakers. A walkthrough of its labyrinth during Preview Thursday or First Friday never fails to entice the eye. The opportunity to interact directly with dozens of artists, photographers, architects, and even galleries under one roof has become a cultural touchstone for art lovers in Las Vegas. Be sure to try the gallery to-go art vending machines for a memento of your stroll through the building. It's really an amazing place. We've gone through there on First Friday at least 2 or 3 times, and it is not something that you're going to want to miss. So go and check it out. Here we have the Art Square. It's a multi-unit restoration project comprised of 3 vintage buildings at a total of 30,000 square foot of indoor space, which have been improved with modern architecture inside and out. An outdoor art garden, interior office gallery spaces, street-facing retail, and access to a large shared parking lot in the downtown Las Vegas Arts District. Home to the First Friday Foundation, Artifice Bar, Josephine Scott Hairdressing, Helios Fine Art Gallery, Ruben Martinez Photography, Downtown Las Vegas Arts, Nevada Humanities, The Event People, and many more. Art Square is an artistic and cultural hub of the Las Vegas Arts District. Now, I can't believe I just listed off all of those businesses, and they're actually inside here, if you can believe it. recently constructed development project. It's made up of 3 buildings, totaling more than 16,000 square feet of indoor space and 15,000 square feet of beautifully landscaped outdoor space. Tenants of First and Main include Taverna Costera, a restaurant and bar offering coastal Mediterranean fusion with a rooftop experience, Stinko's, a florist and arts culture-focused event space, and the Burlesque Hall of Fame, which features the rich history of burlesque performers, both current and from decades past, and several offices/creative clients. This is a place you want to visit. It's really beautiful here. I enjoyed looking around and just checking this place out. So you should come on down to the Arts District and check this area out at First and Main. Some tastes are so iconic that they're legendary, like the entire menu at the Great Greek, where the original classic flavors of the Mediterranean are created daily from classic family recipes with fresh, authentic ingredients. Whether it's a savory skewer from the grill, a crisp, refreshing salad or wrap, a palate-pleasing appetizer, a tender hero, dessert, or more, the Great Greek is one of our personal favorite places to grab a quick bite in the Arts District. In fact, we just finished having lunch at the Great Greek. You gotta try it. It's great food, it's healthy, good for you. Don't say I never gave you any good tips. Chef Letitia commits to always providing a fresh and authentic Mexican food experience, just as if it were prepared in her mother's kitchen, using fresh, garden-picked ingredients. Most importantly, never using canned or processed food, or never using yellow cheese. Your salsas and guacamole are always prepared to order and made fresh each day. And you can see your hot, delicious tortillas made fresh every single day. Her mother's influence fostered her passion and joy for cooking because it nurtured a tight bond of family and friends, creating wonderful memories through the aromas and flavors that emanate with each bite. Wiseguys Comedy Club in Las Vegas is a contemporary entertainment venue that brings stadium-sized talent to an intimate theater on a weekly basis. For a modest ticket price, patrons can enjoy live stand-up comedy and other performance art from nationally accredited acts. The intimacy of the club allows audience members to watch their favorite comedians from no more than 60 feet away. Guests can enjoy a selection of food and beverages from appetizers to craft beers, as well as desserts and homespun cocktails in a relaxing, cozy atmosphere. Don't forget the nachos. Wiseguys is known for bringing the best and funniest comics to the club and will do the same in Vegas. Previous comedians who performed at Wiseguys include Tracy Morgan, David Spade, Kevin Nealton, Margaret Cho, Joe Rogan, Bob Schneider, and many, many more. Okay? We were here last night, and they have open mic night every Tuesday and Wednesday night. You can get up and do a 3-minute set at Wiseguys. You can become a comedian just by coming here. Our friend Sadia invited us, and we had a great time here, so we think you would too. Come on out and find out what happens in Vegas. Hey, so I'm standing right across the street from Abel Baker Brewing, which is one of 6 breweries in Vegas's Brewery Row. In an effort to join the craft beer movement, prominent in cities all over the country, we have launched Brewery Row in downtown Las Vegas, where a natural cluster of craft brewers have already been creating and serving. The other breweries are Beer District Brewery, Craft House Brewery, Hop Nuts Brewing downtown, Huddle Brewing Company, and Nevada Brew Works. There are also 2 tap rooms, Cervaza Bottle Shop and the Tap Room and the Silver Stamp. If you're in the area and beer is your thing, make sure to check out Brewery Row. So, this is the Arts District. I've shown you some of our favorite spots. So now it's up to you to come on out here next time you're in Vegas and visit the Arts District. So many things to see out here, so many things to do, places to drink and eat. It's something that you definitely are going to want to experience. So, if you enjoyed this video, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn the bell notification on so you will be notified every time new videos come out from what happens in Vegas.